Corvette twin-turbo accelerates at about 7.2 meters per second. A Ferrari Enzo boasts about 8.1 meters per second, which takes it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.3 seconds. A cheetah picks up speed faster than both of those cars. Hello friends. In this video we are going to look about science behind cheetah speed. How do their body functions to reach such high speed? Its specialized body accelerates at 10 meters per second and gets up to 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour, in 3 strides. Usain Bolt has nothing on these remarkable lightning-fast cats. Human physiology did not develop for speed the way the cheetah did. Neither did the horse nor any other fast animal. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, achieving a top speed of about 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour. This incredible speed comes with a price, though a cheetah is a rather puny large cat. It looks a lot like a leopard, but you can tell a cheetah by the bilateral, teardrop-shaped stripes running from either side of its nose to its eyes. It's small and lightweight, usually less than 3 feet, 1 meter, tall and about 4 feet, 1.2 meters, long. More than half of that length is the tail, which is crucial to maintaining control during a 70 miles per hour chase. On the open savannas of Iran and parts of Africa, cheetahs are amazing examples of specialization, the evolutionary adaptation to very specific environmental conditions. In this case, the specialization is for speed. Going after impalas, gazelles, and small wildebeests, the cheetah is a blur, and the chase is short-lived, typically lasting about 30 seconds. When a cheetah overtakes its prey, it knocks it down and takes it out with a bite to the neck. It then eats as quickly as possible. Speed is never an issue, of course. Speed is how the cheetah survives as a predator that can't defend itself in a fight. And that speed is the result of some very special physical attributes. Any animal that can go from 0 to 40 miles per hour in 3 strides must have a very specialized body. The cheetah is so built for speed, it really can't do much else. First, a cheetah's speed starts with aerodynamics. Its slender body, small head, flattened rib cage and long, thin legs minimize air resistance. It typically only weighs about 125 pounds, 57 kilograms, so its muscles don't have that much weight to carry. Second, everything about a cheetah contributes to its superlative running skills. An oversized, powerful heart pumps huge amounts of blood, large lungs and nostrils allow for fast and deep air intake. Third, a cheetah's eyes are extra long so they can get a fast, wide-angle view of their surroundings even at top speed. Fourth, it has an extra flexible spine that curves with each stride, acting something like a spring for the back legs. Fifth, hard, ridged foot pads and blunt, non-retractable claws maximize traction with the ground. Sixth, the large tail is both a rudder and counterweight to a cheetah's body so it doesn't spin out during fast turns. Cheetah's spine is one of the longest and most flexible from among all the big cats. Structurally, the cheetah has a unique, flexible spine, which allows for extreme flexion and extension while running at top speeds. While sprinting, much of the time the cheetah is propelling itself through the air between remarkably long strides. A stride is the measured distance between successive imprints of the same paw. Cheetah stretches its spine while in air to store elastic potential energy and releases when lands. In spine flexion, when the cat's legs are directly underneath its body, the scapula and hip are able to rotate to such an extreme angle that the cheetah's front and hind legs overlap. It's the stride, though, that makes most people gasp. The flexible spine, combined with unique leg muscles that give a cheetah's legs incredibly broad swing range, allow the animal to achieve a stride of 25 feet, 7.6 meters. It's more like a bound at that speed, completing up to 3 strides per second, with only 1 foot on the ground at any time and several stages when feet don't touch. Because a cheetah's heart rate accelerates so quickly to achieve that speed, the cat can only maintain the chase for about 600 yards, 550 meters. Then, it's too hot and too tired to run anymore, at which point it becomes easy prey for a larger, more aggressive animal. A cheetah is so hot and winded at the end of a chase, it nears the point at which brain damage could occur. Cheetahs often lose their kill to a larger animal because they need to rest before eating. Everything about a cheetah's build is fine-tuned to allow it to reach super speeds. It's quite amazing. Thanks for watching. Write your thoughts in the comments section. Subscribe the channel to get more interesting videos.